Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kaur. Today's topic is method in Java. It is the generally method in a way of to the perform same task. Similar to this is method in Java is the collection of instruction that is the perform the specific task. It is provide the usability of code. We can also easily modify the using the method. In this section we will be learn that is the method in Java. Type of method is declaration, and how to call the method in Java. That is the method in Java. Method is the block of the code or collection of statement or the code of the set of the code grouped together the performance of the certain task or operation. It is used to achieve the usability to code. We write the method once and use too many times. We do not require to write the code again. It is also provided the easy modification and the reliability to code just by the adding to remaining a check of the code. The method is the executed only when is call of the include method declaration. A method declaration is provide the information about the method such as the return type, name, arguments. There are the 6 component that is known as the method header. We use also the following features are the method in Java. Method is first one is the method signatures. Every method have to method is the signature. It is also part of the method is a declaration, and the include the method of name and parameter list. Second point is the access modifier. Access specifier modifier is the access type of the method. It is the specific the ability of the method. It is the provided of 4 type of access modifier. First one is the public. It is the method is the assembled by the all classes. When you use the public specify in the application. Second type is the private. When the use of private access specifier, the method is the assemble only one of the classes in the which is defined. Third one is protected. When we use of the protected access specify the method in assemble within the same package or subclass, different package. And fourth one is the deployed. When we do not any access specifier in the method declaration, Java use the deployed access specifier is deployed in the only one form of the same package only. Return type is the data type. The method return it is may have the primitive data type, object, collection, void, etc. It is the method is does not return anything via void keyword. Second one is the method name. It is the name is that is used to define the name of the method. It is must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. Suppose if we are the creating the method is two numbers, the method of name must be the method is including by the name. Second point is the parameter list. It is the list of parameter is separate by the common to enclose the pair of the fitness. It is a continuous data type is the variable name. If is data method to name parameter list of the parameters blank. Second is the method body. It is the part of the method declaration. It is the continuous all of the action of the perform within the pair of the currently, because there are the 2 type of the methods in Java. Per dependent method, user dependent method. First one is the pre-dependent method. In a Java is pre-dependent method are use the method that is the already defined the Java class is known as the pre-dependent method. It is also known as the standard library method or the best in the method. And also we can be already use the method in Java calling, then the program is the point length equal compared to sort, etc. When we call any the per dependent method is the over the Program is the series code related to the corresponding method runs background that is the already stored in the library. Second one, every per dependent method is the depend inside the class, and such as the print of the method is depend as the Java print stream classes. In this print of the statement that is used the method